Now I want to construct a frequency distribution where some informations are given. Like for the given data, this is the informations about something of 30 data, 30 observations. Make the frequency distribution table with the size of class as 2. So class size, that is lower limit to upper limit, there should be a gap of 2 units. So what are the observations I am saying? First observation, suppose there was a test of few marks where one roll number have scored 14 marks, second 16, then 16, then next student 14, next 22 marks, 13 marks, 15 marks, 24 marks, 12 marks, 23 marks, 14 marks, 20 marks, 17, 21, then 22, 18, 18, 19, 20 marks, 17, 16 marks, 15, 11, 12, then 21, then 20, then 17, then 18, then 19, and last boy or girl has secured how much marks? That is 23. So first of all, I want to tell you there are 30 students suppose in the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 students, and suppose there was a test of 25 marks. And roll number wise, whatso score is obtained by students of the 30 is given. What is the least observation here? The least observation means least marks. I can say least observation. The least observation here which I can observe is 11. So least observation is 11, and the highest observation is what? We can observe that the highest one is from the table is 24. From the given data it is 24. So if we talk about range, so the range is highest minus lowest, that is 24 minus 11. 24 minus 11, it is coming out to be 13. The range of this data is 13. First step clear. As given that size of classes should be 2, that is difference in the classes should be 2. As the class size is what? 2. So what we can say? We can say as the size of classes is 2, so number of intervals. How many intervals will be produced? That is range upon size. That gives us 13 upon 2 is equals to 6.5. So there will be 7 classes. How many classes will form? 7. To make the classes, we will use telemark system. What is that? First of all, we will write here, I can say marks, or we can say the class intervals. Class intervals. So least observation is 11, and we have to maintain the gap of 2, so this is 13. Next, if we want to make the inclusive, then we will start here with 14, and if we want to make exclusive, then we will take here what? 13. So 11 to 13, then 13 to 15, now then 15 to 17, then 17 to 19, then 19 to next is 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25 the highest marks. These are the classes formed, and many informations already given. Least observation 11, highest 24, that's why range highest minus lowest 13. Size of classes as required 2 in the problem, hence number of intervals, range upon size 6.5. So its rounded value is 7. 1, 2, 3. This is first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth, and there are 7 classes. Differences are 2 to 11 to 13 to 13 to 15 to 15 to 17 to 17 to 19, 19 to 21 to 21 to 23 to 23 to 25 to. I will take tally marks here. Tally mark system is good so that we always avoid our any mistake while we are going to make the frequency distribution. So for it, what I am doing, I am just going to make a chart table like this. These are the 7 classes. Method is so simple. First observation is here what? 14. 14 belonging to this. So I am putting 1 tally mark. Remember 11 to 13, 13 to 15, this is continuous and exclusive. What is meaning by exclusive? Upper limit, this is first interval, its lower limit is 11, upper limit is 13. So its upper limit 13 value is not included here, 13 will be included in next. Similarly 15 is not in second, it is in third. 17 not in third, it is in fourth interval. 19 is not in fourth, it is in fifth interval. Similarly 21, 23. Next observation is 16, it is falling in this group. Again also another tally mark. 14 is coming here, 22 comes here, 13 it comes in the second. Sometimes students make mistake, put it here, no, because it is exclusive. So 13 is excluded, and exclusives are also known as the continuous. After 13, 15 is not here, it is in this. 24 is here. 12 comes in this group. 23 goes in the last, not here. Then 14 comes in this group. Then 20 comes in this group. 17 it comes in this group, 17 to 19. 21 comes in this group. 22 comes in this group. Now we are coming for the second rows data. 18 comes in this group. Then again 18, it is again in the same group. Then 19 comes in this group. 20, about 20 you can see it is in this group. 17 is in this group. Then 16, about 16 you can see 15 to 17, 16 falls here. 15 falls here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for fifth we make a bundle. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one like slanting line. 11 it comes in the first group. 12 it also comes in first group. 21 it comes in this group. 20 comes in the group of 19 to 21. Then 17 it falls here, so it is also fifth one, so we will make a cross bundle. 18 also comes here, so next group starts. 19 comes in this group, so we will make a bundle. Then 23 last, it comes here. So these are the tally marks, and now I will go to write here frequency. How we will make the frequency? Frequency is just a ordinary count of all these. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 because 4 direct and 1 this. These are 5 plus 1, 6. These are 5. 4 plus 1, 5. These are 4 and these are 3. Someone may ask you what are their cumulative frequency. This is a new word. Cumulative means added to prior. I am writing for cumulative symbol CF, shortcut. This is 3, then 3 plus 4, 7, then 7 plus 5, 12, then 12 plus 6, 18, then 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, and 27 plus 3 become 30. Already you know this count is 30. So last information of the cumulative frequency should be 30. Their sum of frequencies can be written as here. So tally marks helps us in writing, making frequency table and cumulative frequency table. Now our question is that if somebody also ask you in the same question, what are their class marks? So if you talk about what last thing, that is class mark. What are the class mark? Formula I told you that class mark for any class is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Here lower limit is 11, upper limit is 13 upon 2, that is what, 24 upon 2 become 12. Similarly 13 plus 15 upon 2, this become 14 because their sum is 28. Next will be 16, then 18, then next will be 20, next is 22, and the last is what, 24. So everything through one example have been made you clear. This is the distribution of the marks in the classes, telemarks, frequency, cumulative frequency added. First 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12 plus 6 18 plus 5 23 plus 4 27 plus 3 30. Then cumulative class mark lower plus upper upon 2. For each different class there are the different class marks, and difference of two successive class marks is known as class size. 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 2 22, and 22 plus 2 24. So all informations whatsoever are required for making a frequency distribution are given or explained through this example.